First thing we have to do is make the Goldrush sauce, which starts off with 3/4 of a cup of yellow mustard, followed by a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Follow that with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to add about a 1/2 cup of honey. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. By the way, you should be doing this over about medium, maybe a little bit below medium heat. And then we're going to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Some salt and pepper, of course. And then 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then just, if you like it a little spicier, just a pinch of cayenne. Then you want to grab a whisk and whisk everything together till it's combined. And then leave this to simmer for about, 10 minutes or so. And then you want to take it off the heat, let it cool, pour into into a condiment bottle that we love so much. And that's it for the Goldrush sauce. All right. Let's move on. All right, as you can see here, I've got 1/3 pound patties on my griddle. And the seasoning I'm adding is Lowry seasoning salt and freshly ground black pepper. They'll take about, 5 minutes aside or so. And through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. So now we're going to lay 2 slices of Colby Jack cheese upon them. Nice little Star of David. Even though Jews are not allowed to have cheeseburgers for some insane reason. Add a little water, create a little steam. All right, let's assemble the burger. Okay, now we have our toasted bun. We're going to add some shreddis to that. And then we need to add our burger patty. Then we're going to add some thinly sliced white onions. Some tomato slices. A little salt and pepper for our tomato slices. And now we're going to add some pickles, because a burger without pickles is, well, it's just garbage. A couple of pieces of bacon, because, as we all know, bacon makes pretty much everything better. And finally, some of that Goldrush sauce. And then the top bun, which I spread some mayo on. And that's that. The Goldrush Burger. Done.